Hello everyone, in this video I will show you about the new photo effect on CapCut. So I think CapCut always provide the latest features for user, one of which is the photo effect which I will share today. So tap on your project, select your photo you like to edit, and here I already have a project with photo. So this photo effect, yeah, you can find the new photo effect and style button. So just click style button and select AI painting, and you can find AI filter. So there are two options: AI filter exotic and AI filter magic. So you can which one you like. So this kind of the enemy filter. Alright, that's how about the new photo effect on CapCut. I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.